Why does the battery get expanded or inflated on the Samsung Galaxy S8? So this is my two Galaxy S8 and S7. Now after having left the phone untouched for a while, the battery expanded. As you can see, it pushes the back open. So the back is glued down. There is no swivel. It is all glued down, but because the battery has expanded so much, that pushes the back cover open. So why does it do this? Now there are a couple of reasons, a number of reasons. The first is the natural battery aging. Even when not in use, battery slowly degrade over time due to the internal chemical reactions. The electrolyte inside the battery breaks down, releasing gas that causes the battery to swell. Another thing is the deep discharge or battery fully drained. If the battery was left at 0% charge for a long time, it may have undergone deep discharge, causing internal instability and gas buildup. Hence, you can see there is gas buildup here. In my case, I have let the battery sitting empty at 0% for a very long time. Okay, so the lithium ion batteries should ideally be stored at 40 to 60% charge to prevent this from happening. So now that it's inflated, I need to replace it with a different battery. Another things that may cause this problem is the exposure to heat or humidity. Storing the phone in a hot or humid environment can accelerate the battery degradations, leading to expansion. The heat speed up the chemical reactions inside the battery, making it more likely to swell. So here's another one. Same things happened on this Galaxy S7. The battery expanded the back here and causing the back to open, as you can see right here. Now, another things that may cause it to expand is the defective or a low quality battery. So if you have your battery replaced before and it's not the manufacturer battery, if it's OEM or aftermarket battery, it can cause a problem. So some batteries degrade faster due to manufacturing defects or lower quality materials. Over time, even premium batteries can fail due to design limitations. So what can you do, or what should you do? Do not use or charge the phone if the battery has swollen. So this can cause a fire hazard. Replace the battery at a certified repair center. You may want to dispose the old battery safely. So do not throw in a regular bin. Store them in a throw them in a recycling bin, sometimes available at your shopping center. And in the future, make sure you regularly charge your battery between 40 to 60% and store them in a cool, dry place. So even if you're not using it, every now and then, just take it out and make sure you have it charged so that the battery doesn't get swollen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.